Welcome, friends. Here I am back after such a long time. It feels like a new start. So, let's get back to the topics we were doing and try and understand these topics more in a more easy way. So, welcome once again to my channel Manmade. Now, the big news is that I am going to discuss the diagrams and the tables given in the pathology book. We all know that these are so important to understand and they carry so much value. So let's not waste more time. Let's immediately get back to the very first diagram of the book. So here's the first diagram. This diagram is about the organization of the nuclear DNA. First of all, what we see here is at the microscopic level. We see the genetic material in which some are densely packed and other are dispersed. So here comes the difference between euchromatin and heterochromatin. Euchromatin is dispersed and transcriptionally active, which will undergo translation to form proteins, whereas the heterochromatin is dense and inactive transcriptionally. So here we saw the difference between the heterochromatin and euchromatin. Now moving on to the chromosome. We can also see the chromosome here in the diagram, which can only be visualized by light microscope during cell division, and that is during the mitosis. Chromosomes are organized into paired chromatid connected at the centromere, and here the centromere acts as locus of formation of protein complex kinetochore. Kinetochore helps in the chromosome segregation at the time of metaphase. Now the telomeres. Telomeres are the terminal. Telomeres here we can see are at the terminal. These are the repetitive nucleotide sequences which give permission for repeated chromosomal replication without any loss of DNA at the chromosome. So इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि shortening of the DNA material को prevent करता है कौन? Telomere. Now chromatid are organized into short P arms and long Q arms. एंड जो बैंडिंग पैटर्न हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे वो कौन डिसाइड करता है? उसको डिसाइड करने के लिए जीसी कंटेंट जो वहाँ पे है जितना, उसकी वजह से हमें ये बैंडिंग पैटर्न देखने को मिलता है. Now the nucleosome. Here we can see that the nucleosome, sorry for bad pronunciation, nucleosome, which is a DNA wounded around octameric histone core. और ये जो दो न्यूक्लियोसोम है वो कनेक्टेड कैसे हैं? वो डीएनए लिंकर्स के थ्रू कनेक्टेड है. अब हम आगे देख रहे हैं दैट हियर देयर इज अ प्रमोटर, देयर इज अ एनहांसर. नाउ व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ प्रमोटर? प्रमोटर इज मेनली to initiate the gene transcription, whereas the enhancer is for modulation of the gene expression. Now we got the pre-mRNA after transcription, in which introns are spliced out to form a mRNA, which undergo translation to form a protein. But here we can see that the 5-UTR, that is 5- untranslated region, and 3-UTR are not translated into protein. So here we can see that the open reading frame which undergo translation to form protein. Let's see some other non-coding elements found in genome like enhancer, promoter and UTRs. And these are non-coding regulatory RNAs. अब ये क्या होते हैं? 60% से भी ज़्यादा जीनोम जो हमारा होता है वो आरएनए में ट्रांसक्राइब होता है, बट आफ्टर दैट ट्रांसलेशन नहीं होता. तो ट्रांसलेशन नहीं होता तो व्हाट दे डू, दे आर ऑफ ग्रेट इम्पोर्टेंस और वो हमारे जीन एक्सप्रेशन में हेल्प करते हैं थ्रू माइक्रो RNAs एंड लॉन्ग नॉन कोडिंग RNAs। नेक्स्ट है मोबाइल जेनेटिक एलिमेंट्स और इसको हम जंपिंग जीन्स भी कहते हैं और ट्रांसपोजॉन्स भी कहते हैं। These jumping genes, which can move around genome, exhibiting wide variation in the number and positioning, even amongst the very closely related species such as humans and primates. So, ये हमारा हो गया first diagram. This is all for this lecture. I will try to take 2 diagrams or tables in a single video from next time. So keep studying, stay home and stay safe, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel if you liked this video so far. Thank you. Bye.